Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And I'm here today to talk to you guys about the professional multi-frequency wireless bug detector. This video is designed to go over the features of this bug detector as well as show you guys how to use it. However, it does not go over how to choose a bug detector or what an RF detector actually is. If you haven't already, I would recommend taking a look at our How to Choose a Bug Detector guide video before continuing. You can find that video located under the main counter surveillance page on our website. Now, the professional multi-frequency wireless bug detector works a tad different than other RF detectors out there. They engineered this device to make sweeping for bugs, GPS trackers, along with many other spying devices out there to be as easy as possible. It can actually display and scan multiple signals at a single time and display the results on the screen for you to interpret. Now, I'm going to set this up and show you guys how to actually do a sweep using this RF detector. Take a look.
Hello everyone, today what we're doing is a quality demonstration of the wireless protocol detector. Now this is one of our most advanced countermeasure units that we sell, so I'm going to go over it in detail and then I'm going to show you actually how to use it, because one of these nanny cameras up here is actually transmitting and we can pinpoint its location using this device. Let's take a look. So there's a lot of different things going on the faceplate of this unit, but don't worry, it's actually pretty easy to use. So if I flip it on, you're gonna see some lights kick on, and what these tell you are the different types of signals it's detecting. I'm going to actually spin it around so you can read them, and you can tell each one of these is a different type of signal. This is really what makes this device worth the money, because it can tell you, like right now, it's detecting a 3G signal, which is probably one of our cell phones in our pockets. But like, let's say if you were doing a sweep in a high-rise building and you were doing a scan and a Wi-Fi signal came through, you can pretty much ignore that, because what you're looking for would be something like a camera like LTE or one of the other types of signals. It just really helps differentiate between them. So I'm going to flip it back around here, and this little joystick here has a bunch of different controls on it. So you have ATT plus and ATT minus. If by default it gets powered on with ATT minus, which widens the field of view that this can detect. That's why it's going so crazy. If I'm getting close to a signal and I want to pinpoint it, I hit ATT plus, and you'll see that all of the signals die a lot. That means that I have to be very close to the device in order for it to be detected right now. So I'm going to put it back to minus for now. On the right hand side we have mode. So if I kind of take this little joystick and I move it to the right, that is an audible kind of a sensor. So if you get closer to something, you're going to hear that noise a lot more. The next is going to be what they call extra data. What that means is that it's going to display on the screen here what it's detecting most prominently. Right now, since we're not doing a sweep, it's going to put up 3G because that's what it's detecting the most of. But like, let's say if we got over to a Wi-Fi signal, it would actually say Wi-Fi. If I push this mode again, it's going to vibrate. Now you guys obviously can't feel this, but I feel it vibrating in my hand because it's detecting a 3G signal. And if I push it again, it'll go away completely. So that just turned off the different modes. And then if I could have also taken a shortcut, because like, let's say if it was here, instead of having to hit that twice, I can just do that and it completely removes any sort of noise. So what we're gonna do now is we're actually gonna do a sweep. So I'm gonna move this back here, and I'm gonna start doing a sweep just like this. And you'll notice as I get closer to this unit specifically, you'll notice that the Wi-Fi, see how the Wi-Fi is going crazy right here? That's detecting a Wi-Fi, but you'll notice it's also seeing 3G still. If I had another device, this would still be going crazy, even though it's actually detecting the Wi-Fi, which is what I'm looking for. This is really why this gauge is super helpful when you're doing a sweep.